through the valley, I'm not gon' fear. I've got a God that is with me, to him I will draw near. Closer and closer, I'm going, more and more I'm getting.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Junie-May. If you're new, thank you for tuning in today. I hope you're all doing very well. So today I've decided to do another chit chat get ready with me video, providing useful information as well as doing my makeup, you know, while I'm getting ready. So I have decided to do this video because every time I meet new people, they always compliment my smile and my teeth. Yes, my teeth, compliment my teeth, and they always tell me how I like the shape of them, how clean and straight they look. You know, come to think of it, what is a good tooth shape? I don't really know, but yeah, so they always compliment my teeth. I had a lot of people come up to me and just tell me, oh, your teeth look nice. So I thought I'll do this video today because I'm gonna share with you what I do. So instead of doing just a rant or a chit chat, I thought I should be more informative, use this time to provide like useful, helpful or information, you know, something that has really worked for me over the last few years. So we're gonna talk about my DIY toothpaste, organic toothpaste and organic mouthwash as well, all things organic. And we're also going to talk about how to whiten your teeth naturally, you know, in the most natural way, how to deal with bad bacteria that's in your mouth that causes bad breath. Okay, yeah, we're going there. These methods I'm going to tell you today, so I found out that they've been effective and safer than using like fluoride containing toothpaste. So as a disclaimer, I'm not a dentist, I'm not a specialist, so please do contact your dentist before you come for me. You know, just a disclaimer, these are things that have worked for me and hopefully it might work for you as well. Without further ado, hopefully you guys enjoy this video, and please do like it for the sake of YouTube algorithm. Also comment down below and let me know your DIYs, what you do to whiten your teeth, to reduce plaque and gum disease and all of those things. So please comment down below and let me know what you do, or any advice that you can give me as well, because I don't know everything. I'm learning as much as you are. So yeah, comment down below. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe if you haven't. That would mean so much to me because I've got so much more stuff like this to share with you in the future. If you guys like this video, I will do more. Okay, so thank you so much for watching and I hope you do enjoy the video. Comment down. Oh, should I move back a bit? Let me move back a bit. So if you're wondering what this is a ginger tea, apple cider vinegar, a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar, a teaspoon of lemon juice, and I've put honey for sweetness. Don't be raising eyebrows at my concoction. This has worked for me so many times. Every time I feel like I'm having like a sore throat, I'm coming down with a cold, I have cold symptoms or whatever, this works all the time. And I also take vitamin C as well, so that helps. And yeah, prepping my skin, I've already applied my Radiance primer. This is the Bobbi Brown SPF 35 face protector as well for sun exposure and all of those things. And I've also applied this MAC Prep and Prime Natural Radiance primer. This is like illuminating base that I like to apply. The Pore Primer by Revolution. That's what I like to apply on my face. So I've already applied these. Okay. So this is perfect for defining your eyebrows, just really making sure you've highlighted the upper and the lower areas of your eyebrows to have that defined arch. Okay, so we're gonna start off by talking about reducing plaque and fighting gum disease. So the main cause of gum disease is the buildup of dental plaque due to harmful bacteria in your mouth. The current research shows that coconut oil, that it can decrease the plaque buildup on your teeth and fight gum disease, you know, and it can also prevent tooth decay and loss, you know. And also do your research on oil pulling. You know, a lot of people have been practicing oil pulling for a very long time, and I've heard a lot about it. Before I started doing this, I used to hear quite a lot about oil pulling. It is swishing oil in your mouth for about 10 to 15 minutes and then you just spit it out. So you're basically using it as a mouthwash. Okay, so now I'm just applying this orange corrector for discoloration around my mouth, so under my eyes as well. Okay, so the fatty acids in the oil attract and trap bacteria. So each time you oil pulling, you're basically removing the bacteria and the plaque in your mouth. Okay, so I'm also going to show you my homemade toothpaste. So it contains coconut oil. Okay guys, so I'm going to show you my homemade toothpaste with coconut oil and bicarbonate soda. So I'm gonna use this soda. This is from the supermarket. This is just any other bicarbonate soda you can get from anywhere, and I'm using this coconut oil, extra virgin 100% raw coconut oil, and I'm gonna use 2 tablespoons of the bicarbonate soda, and also I'm going to put 2 tablespoons of the coconut oil as well when it's solid. So I mix it up with the bicarbonate soda until it forms a paste-like consistency, and then I store the paste in a sealed container. Okay, so 3 days a week I like to use this paste, and then other days I use this Allodent fluoride-free toothpaste, which is aloe vera flavor, and I absolutely love this because it's organic. So for foundation, I'm going to use this NARS Radiant Long Wear Foundation. I'm not sure about the shade. I got the Mikaya shade. That's in medium dark 4. Okay, so the baking soda acts as an abrasive and helps to whiten your teeth as well. Baking soda has been used for so many years to whiten teeth, that's a fact. This appears to be more safer, effective than using a fluoride containing toothpaste. Okay, so as a side note, you also need to minimize your sugar and grain consumption. You know, just keep your fructose intake to less than 25 grams per day. Just avoid processed foods, period. Like, just avoid it. I've applied this Mega Glow by Wet n Wild. This is just for highlighting, so that's what I'm gonna do now, and I'm using this brush to just in this. I'm now gonna apply my concealer. This is the Fenty Beauty. You know, so I read this article about placing a cucumber on the roof of your mouth. Yeah, so this article was saying that placing a cucumber slice on the roof of your mouth may also help to get rid of mouth odor. According to research, eating cucumber may also help to release excess heat in your stomach, you know, which is said to be a primary cause of bad breath. Okay, so moving on to mouthwash. I use this organic aloe vera alcohol-free mouthwash, and other days I rinse my mouth with wheatgrass powder. Yes, you heard right. A year and a half ago, my gums used to bleed when brushing, and I heard about wheatgrass, so I've been using it for a while, and I don't even remember the last time my teeth bled. So I'm here to testify that this actually does work. If you're consistent, you have to be consistent, otherwise it's not going to work. So you've got to stay on top of it at least once a week. Yeah, so wheatgrass rinse improves receding gums by providing nutrients to the tissues and spaces between your teeth, so they like kind of strengthen your teeth, and also helps with gum inflammation and pain. So obviously if your teeth hurt when you're brushing, this is also good with that. Like I said, it does improve a lot. Okay, so I swish it around my mouth for about 5 to 6, 7 minutes and then spit it out. Yeah. Okay, so other ways that you can consume wheatgrass for dental health: you can drink it in a smoothie. Also, you can chew it raw like the actual wheatgrass. Obviously, if you have plant allergies, do consult your doctor before trying this. Alright, okay, so now I'm just applying the concealer. So wherever I put the highlighter, I'm just going to put this concealer on. So now I'm just going to blend it. This is a wet beauty blender, by the way. You know, the fact that gum disease is usually painless, you may not know that you actually do have gum disease. So it's very important. And I just practice good oral hygiene. I try to brush my teeth like 3 times a day. Wheatgrass rinse, I only do that 2 or 3 times a week. So I'm using this baking powder by Revolution. So that's what I'm using to set my foundation. I know I look mad right now, but I'm just setting the concealer, and obviously a transparent powder. You're really not gonna. Okay guys, so now I'm just contouring using this Slick contour kit. This is in the shade medium dark, you know. So talking about wheatgrass, so the chlorophyll, which is the pigment in the wheatgrass, meant to be antibacterial, and it destroys all the harmful bacteria in your mouth. So the chlorophyll neutralizes toxins that inflame your gums and loosens your teeth. And obviously if you have like plant allergies, please do consult your specialist before trying blush. This is the Lovejoy by MAC. I'm just gonna also going to apply this Fenty Beauty highlighter. This is Trophy Wife. This is the Bobbi Brown one. Bronze Glow highlighting powder, so I mixed the two. Okay, so for eyeshadows I'm using this Morphe. I keep doing that until it's completely blended, but so now I'm gonna put my falsies. Okay, so that's what I'm using. I'm using the lip liner, also from Berry Am. It's called So Chic. That's Berry Am.